In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Calendly link, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have your own clean, professional Calendly URL that's easy to share with clients, colleagues, or anyone who needs to book time with you. Start by opening your browser and heading to calendly.com. On the homepage, look for the login option and click it. You'll be taken to the sign-in screen. Type in the email address associated with your Calendly account, then click Continue. On the next screen, enter your password and continue again. Take a second to make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage multiple workspaces, so your link connects to the right calendar. After you're signed in, you'll land on the Calendly homepage. From here, we're going to access your personal link settings. Look to the top right of the screen for your profile icon and click it. In the menu that appears, select My Link. This is where you customize the unique part of your Calendly URL, the piece that comes after calendly.com/. In the customization field, enter a short, memorable handle. Keep it simple and professional. Most people use their name or a recognizable variation. Avoid spaces and special characters. Stick to letters, numbers, and hyphens if needed. If Calendly tells you the link is already taken, try a quick variation like adding a middle initial, a role, or a location. The goal is to make your link easy to remember and straightforward to type without mistakes. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Save Changes. If you see a confirmation, you're set. Your updated link is now live and tied to your account. From this point on, anyone you share it with will be able to view your public booking page and schedule time based on the availability you've already set inside Calendly. A couple of quick tips to make the most of your new link. Choose a handle you won't need to change often, since consistent links build trust and reduce confusion. Keep the wording neutral and work appropriate, and aim for something you'd be comfortable placing in email signatures, websites, or social profiles. If you collaborate across teams, consider a format that aligns with your company's naming conventions for a consistent look. That's it. Simple and effective. You went to Calendly, logged in, opened your profile menu, selected My Link, customized the URL, and saved your changes. Your personalized Calendly link is ready to share wherever you connect with others. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save with a link that does the coordinating for you.